We're going to air drum. So waving, good. And the important thing about air drumming is that you look good. So take a look at your neighbors. See how they look? Okay. Smiling. Can you move your head? Now for real. I'm going to play. You guys echo back. Whatever I do, you do the same thing. Ian's going to help you. Good, but together. Yeah, now in the middle. Now we're going to mix and match. Low in the middle, high on the edge. Okay, now we're going to build this thing. Here we go. Very happy to make some noise for Turn It Up. And with your drums, if you don't mind, just to repack them after the keynote.